Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm planning to start off with a series in which I'll build my outfit from scratch or I'll DIY my old outfits into new ones. So I'm pretty excited for this whole series. I don't know the name yet for this, so you guys can suggest me in the comment box below. And let's begin with the first episode of... Give me the name, guys. So I participated in a fashion show organized by VIA wherein I got shortlisted for their final round. I'm very excited for this. So basically this is a Khadi fashion show wherein I have to wear 70 to 75% of Khadi clothes. So for this I have to build my outfit from scratch, and today is 6th of October and the fashion show is on 19th of October. So we have 12 to 13 days in hand and we have to start from like literal zero. I have never done this before, so it's going to be really amazing and I don't know how will this go. So let's begin. Very first step to build your outfit from scratch will be finding an inspiration for your outfit. So I'll go to Pinterest or Instagram and find some really good inspiration for my outfit. I have my laptop here. So after spending 1 hour or so on Pinterest, I finally found out few inspiration for my outfit. Like I'm not really satisfied with that, so I'll draw one for myself. Like I'll draw a basic structure of outfit which will be like kinda my final outfit. So it basically depends upon the material I get tomorrow. So yes, and I think I haven't told you about this, but there will be 3 rounds of the particular day, and in all 3 rounds I have to wear something different from the previous round. So it's basically about one outfit in 3 different styles. So yes. Okay, so this is my basic plan for now, and I'm sure I'll change the things later on, but I'll keep you guys updated this time. For now, my basic idea for the first round will be this blouse with 3/4 sleeves and a high-waisted long skirt. And then for the second round, with the same base, I'll add this long jacket overcoat this. So it will like turn up into a different outfit. I'll keep a chunni or something with the first one. And in the second one, I'll add this thing, upar se, like a long and this thing. I'll keep a picture here. And then for the third round, instead of this skirt, I'll wear this pant with some designs on the lower part, this top and the long thing. So this is my basic plan for now, and let's see you guys tomorrow.
2 days later.
Found out a few stores on Google and now we are going there. It's 2 days later, by the way, and let's see what we get there. We are finally home. I'll tell you about the fabric, like it's khadi, pure khadi. I'll tell you about the colors which I'll use for what. मेरा डिज़ाइन शायद फिर से चेंज हो गया, I'm not sure, but ठीक है. This was the very first time we were purchasing khadi, so we don't know about the prices and stuff. But we got all of these fabrics for 902 rupees. I'll keep the separation here. So this one, the first cloth is for pant or dhoti pant, you can say. This one was for 130 rupees per meter. We got 2.5 meters for the pant and stuff. सारे material थोड़े extra लिए हैं just to be on safer side. And then this purple one is for the overcoat jacket over these things. This one is again 2.5 meters and per meter was 110 rupees. I really like the color of this one. And finally my skirt and my blouse will be of this material. You can see light green with some pattern. This one was for 115 per meter. We got 3.5 meter for this because we need like proper pleated skirt and a blouse from this. So yes, these were the 3 purchases. Also, the Google Map location of the particular store will be in the description box, so you can check out from there.
The next day.
अपन कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
बुटीक।
So I'm finally back home and now I'll tell you about the details. I was not shooting there much because firstly, I was really confused what I really want. Like I was not able to frame it together. Secondly, it's very awkward to shoot publicly and I'm very new to this, so yes. And thirdly, it started raining, so we were in a hurry because we went on two-wheeler. So yes. Keeping all of that aside, I gave my blouse and skirt for stitching now and she'll give me by Monday or Tuesday, that's 12th or 13th. And yes, I'll share every detail about the cloth and the laces and stuff on that day because it will be much more easier for you to understand and me to explain. And yes, nothing much. I'll share details on that day. Oh, also the dhoti pant, my mama will stitch it for me because she knows stitching and she knows the idea which I want, like the concept really. So she will do that for me. And jacket, I was really confused about the length of the sleeves and the length of the jacket. So I'm keeping that on pause for now. After my dress is ready, so then I'll decide the final length and stuff and she'll stitch it for me like in 2 or 3 days. So yes. So guys, it's 12th of October, Monday. We went for the trial and the fitting was amazing. Just a bit of changes are required, but she'll do the rest and I'll receive my final outfit with jacket by Wednesday or Thursday. So stay tuned for that and I'll add BTS after this. कैसा लग रहा है मम्मा?
Wow, beautiful.
So that was my outfit. It was quite messier there, so you cannot see the proper one, but surely wait for 2 more days. Now, Mama dhoti pant stitch kar raha hai, so let's go and see.
Meanwhile.
So finally the outfit is with me. It looks amazing. Like I can't wait to show you the final look of it on 19th. But for now, I'll show you the outfit and I'll tell you about its details. So guys, this is the blouse. It's plain completely. खादी काफी ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है तो अंदर से अस्तर लगा है. Even in the skirt. इधर पे लेस है. The same lace is on the skirt का bottom and with the golden piping here. And yeah. Also chain here on the side. I'll keep all the price distribution here because I actually don't remember and I actually don't know. So yes. Then the skirt. I'll wear it and show you definitely, but for now, this is the belt. These are all plates, you know. I'll press them. I hope it's visible. 3 layers of that same lace over here. So I told you guys about the 3 rounds with like one outfit in 3 different ways. So for the first outfit, it will be this like the skirt top plain along with this chimney. This is not khadi obviously, this is net. I really like the sequence. Oh, I'm showing it ulta. So yeah, this is the chunni. This has silver and copperish shimmer here, but this looks amazing altogether, and this green color also matches the outfit. So then COVID protection mask from the it's matching to the kapda. I'll wear it in one of the rounds, and I'm planning to wear it in one of the rounds. So for the second round, instead of that chunni, I'll wear this overcoat jacket, which is a long jacket with this lace on the edge. No, it will look like this. Thoda sa high neck, like just a bit high neck, and full sleeves, again the same lace over here. It's in 3 parts, like 1, 2, 3. How can I explain? I'll keep all the pictures and videos right after this bug box, so please stay tuned for that, and you will get better idea of this. So the last and final thing which is left, it's the dhoti pant. So for the third look, instead of the skirt, I'll wear this dhoti. I'll show you in a minute. Instead of the skirt, I'll wear this dhoti, and along with the same purple jacket. So yes, I'll show all the 3 looks at the end, so wait for that. So this is the dhoti. It's like this, with this sharp edges. I don't know what exactly this one is called, but yes, my mama sewed it for me, so it looks amazing. कैसे लगे outfits? Please comment down below and let me know. I would love to know which one was your favorite, 1, 2 or 3. And if you want to see my final look pictures, so do follow me on my Instagram. My ID is here, and also link will be in the description box. So go check it out, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.